The volatility of Bitcoin and other digital currencies are undeniably fascinating, especially for crypto enthusiasts and investors who want to diversify away from fiat currency. But whether you're looking for ways to make your cryptos work for you without selling them, or want to get your hands on cryptos without actually buying them, crypto lending might be the solution for you. Now you can effectively borrow money using your Bitcoin as collateral and also make money doing so. In this video, I'll discuss how you can borrow money from Bitcoin to reinvest back into Bitcoin, allowing you to invest and reinvest in this new asset class that continues to gain value to create massive wealth in the process. And please don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video to help this channel grow and reach the masses. Get ready, you are now entering the Academy. Bitcoin earlier this year reached all-time high of over $63,000 per Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency experienced waves of bullish sentiment from not only retail investors, but big-time hedge funds, corporations, and billionaires all over the world. The Bitcoin price, now up more than double where it started the year, has soared as institutional investors are now open to the idea of investing in Bitcoin as part of their strategy to creating wealth. As the crypto community continues to discuss the future of decentralization, Bitcoin price models have accurately predicted Bitcoin's latest breakout and have forecasted the Bitcoin price could peak at approximately $100,000 per Bitcoin by early 2022. First, I am going to discuss the aspect of investing in cryptocurrency and specifically in Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency, although volatile and being a new type of currency, is an asset class that could serve as a hedge against the US dollar-backed holdings, as well as related inflationary pressures and concerns. Inflation has now replaced the pandemic as Wall Street's #1 fear, according to a survey of portfolio managers across various financial industries. The US Federal Reserve has been adamant about not increasing interest rates until 2024. However, the 10-year Treasury yield, which can be viewed as a measure for inflationary fears, has been steadily increasing over the past year, which is a bad sign of things to come going into 2022. If the thought that over 20% of all existing US dollar currency was created in 2020 alone scares you, then 1, you are not alone, and 2, you may want to look further into alternative investments like cryptocurrency to hedge against the US dollar. Bitcoin, unlike USD or any other fiat currency, has a limited supply and decentralized structure, which makes the currency unable to be manipulated or devalued by any government or central bank. And now, it can be easier than ever to invest into Bitcoin by using exchanges such as Coinbase. But it gets even better. If you buy a certain amount of Bitcoin and would like to borrow some money from a financial institution to invest into a business or repair or upgrade your home, you may now do so by borrowing against your Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency, and specifically Bitcoin, can now be used as your own personal bank to borrow against. The cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase recently expanded its services that allows US users to borrow cash against Bitcoin as collateral without having to sell the cryptocurrency. The company recently added a line of credit of up to 40% of a customer's Bitcoin account value, capped at $100,000 to its users. The exchange also offers fixed-term loans of up to 30% of a user's Bitcoin, also up to $100,000 for its users. There is no fee or credit check, and the borrower pays an 8% annual percentage rate. The borrowed cash can be deposited to PayPal or transferred to a user's bank account through an automated clearinghouse. The customer would then pay the interest due each month, a $10 minimum, and can pay off the balance when they are ready. With an average rate of return for Bitcoin of over 20% per year, borrowing at an APR of 8% doesn't seem so bad at all. The strategy here for a savvy investor would be to borrow money against a percentage of their Bitcoin and then reinvest that money back into the cryptocurrency. A monthly interest charge would need to be paid, but the overall return can be multiplied for the money that was borrowed. Leveraging one's assets for a multiple return is how the rich become wealthy. If you'd like to learn more about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and borrowing from Bitcoin, check out the links in the description to learn more. By investing in alternative assets such as Bitcoin, you can diversify your portfolio and decorrelate your investment from the US dollar and the stock market in general. With increasing inflation, an asset that is independent of the US dollar can be quite advantageous to add into any savvy investor's portfolio. In addition to using Coinbase for purchasing Bitcoin, the Robinhood stock trading app provides a great vehicle which allows for commission-free buying and selling of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, thus providing a great way to create and grow a diverse portfolio that is more robust against inflation to continue to grow your wealth for the long term. And Robinhood now has a promotion where you will get 3 free stocks valued up to $200 if you sign up now. So be sure to take advantage of this promotion and, more importantly, start your growth portfolio and start your path toward financial independence and freedom. Please check the links in the description to learn more about investing in Bitcoin using Coinbase and Robinhood cryptocurrency investment platforms and start your path toward financial independence. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to smash the like button. It will really help out the channel grow to get this information out to the masses. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the 10X Academy. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.